Hello, good evening, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Mutiara, in Indonesia News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here, the complete news. The first news is, deadly accident causes UHO University lecturer to die. The moments of the deadly accident of a lecturer at the Halu Oleo University, Kendari in Konawe Regency, Southeast Sulawesi Province on Tuesday, May 3, 2022. In the car versus truck collision, the deputy deans of the two teaching and education faculties or FKIP, UHO Kendari, Dr. Mursidin died. The deadly accident on Tuesday evening occurred on Poros Kendari Unaha Street, Anggalomoare Village, Anggalomoare District, Konawe Regency, Southeast Sulawesi Province. Mr. Mursidin died after the Daihatsu Terios DT 1413 ME car he was traveling with a group of UHO lecturers collided with a Hino fuel oil tanker truck. The car that collided with a fuel tank truck with the plate number DT 8041 EU was driven by UHO lecturer Kendari Palawagau Sapile. Besides Mursidin, the car was carrying two other passengers, namely Asmawati Munir and Asviati. The group that boarded the Black Terios had an accident after returning home from Morosi, Konawe Regency. The coordinator of the public relations subsector of Halu Oleo University, Laude Abdul Hamdan, confirmed that Mursidin died in a deadly accident. Hamdan confirmed that the deputy dean of the two FKIP, UHO Kendari, Mursidin, died in the deadly accident. Previously, the head of the Reserve Police Traffic Unit or the head of the Konawe Reserve Police Traffic Unit, First Police Inspector Ridwan, confirmed the car versus truck collision that killed one lecturer. The Reserve Police Traffic Unit or the head of the Konawe Reserve Police Traffic Unit, First Police Inspector Ridwan, Konawe then processed the crime scene. The next news is, the Padang-Bukittinggi Highway experiences traffic jams. The Padang-Bukittinggi Highway in Padang Luar, Agam Regency was paralyzed on Tuesday, May 3, 2022. Congestion occurs because of the large number of vehicles scrambling to enter the Padang Luar intersection. According to TribunPadang.com monitoring, the longest traffic jam occurred on the Padang City route to Bukittinggi City. Congestion snaking from Simpang Padang Luar to the Buluah River to be precise in front of the Sungai Buluah Takwa Mosque. When viewed using Google Maps, the length of the vehicle queue is recorded as 2.1 km. Vehicles that are stuck in the traffic can only walk little by little or crawl in. Meanwhile, from the opposite direction, namely from the direction of the city Bukittinggi to the city of Padang, it was monitored smoothly. The traffic jam only happened about 200 meters away. Likewise, from the direction of the Malalak and from the direction of Baso. The next news is, the flood disaster occurred in the Rooswood Garden Housing complex, South Tangerang City. Floods hit Rooswood Garden Housing, Serua, Ciputat, South Tangerang City during the momentum of the celebration of al-Fitr 2022. As a result, dozens of family heads were busy cleaning their homes after the flood receded during the celebration of al-Fitr 2022. Henry explained that of the tens of heads of families, 2022 al-Fitr homecoming activities have been recorded. However, after the flood hit, a number of residents who had been going home chose to return to their homes. It is known that the flooding in the Rooswood Garden Housing estate, Serua, Ciputat, South Tangerang City, was caused by bursting of the embankment of the Buaran River. According to him, the embankment collapsed due to the narrowing of the river's flow during the completion of the Serpong Cineret toll road. The next news is, ahead of renovation process, the Gilingan Furniture Market caught fire. The Gilingan Furniture Market, Banjarsari District, Sulawesi caught fire ahead of the renovation process, which would begin on May 10, 2022. However, approximately 25 stalls in the market that were to be renovated into a small and medium-sized industry center were burned to the ground. However, there is no suspicion in the minds of the Gilingan Furniture Market traders if the fire was not done intentionally. As stated, one of the traders, Anam owns approximately one stall at the Gilingan Furniture Market. He admitted that he did not suspect that the Gilingan Furniture Market was burned by irresponsible people. The Gilingan Furniture Market traders please note that they will be relocated to the Bong Mojo area. The promotion of traders is planned to be carried out on May 10, 2022. The next news is, Girya Market on fire. The Girya Market in Giryan Weru 1 Village, Giryan District, Bitung City, North Sulawesi Province, caught fire on Monday, May 2, 2022. According to information from a number of eyewitnesses at the location of the fire, the traditional market, which is located in the neighborhood 4, has been on fire since 10 to 5 a.m. It was observed that the fire quickly scorched the stall and the stall in Giryan Market. In less than an hour, the building of the kiosk and stall had been razed to the ground, leaving debris such as zinc and wood scattered on the ground. The next news is, Tangerang Beach tourist area is crowded with visitors. The day after Hari Raya or al-Fitr 2022, the Angkasa Beach tourism area Tangerang Regency began to be filled with a number of visitors who come from various regions. Four-wheel vehicles are seen from various regions and are dominated by vehicles with number plates B. According to TribunBanten.com's observation at Sambulu Tangerang Beach, it appears that a number of visitors began to crowd the beach location from children to adults. They also seem to throng the beach area, even renting carpets that had been prepared by officers in the beach area. The visitors seem enthusiastic about playing in the water on the beach. Some of them just relax for a moment, enjoying the view while drinking coffee on the beach. The last news is, the region and deputy region of Pelalawan performed 8 prayers. Pelalawan Region Zukri and Deputy Region Nasaruddin SHMH performed the 8th prayer 1443 Hijriah with thousands of people at the Pangkalan Kerinci soccer field on Tuesday, May 2, 2022. 8 prayers were held in the field after the government allowed them to be carried out, but still with the strict health protocols. Region Zukri and Deputy Region Nasaruddin were present, accompanied by his wife and family. There was also the Regional Secretary of Tengku Mukhlis Regency and his family and several other officials. Residents flocked to the soccer field, which is located on the edge of the east crossroad of Pangkalan Kerinci City, bringing their own prayer mats until it was packed. Acting as khatib for its prayer, namely Zulkarnain LC, who is the high priest of the Al-Mutakim Mosque in the Pangkalan Kerinci, sermon by Iswadi M. Yazid LCMA and Bilal Jerry Lesmana. 8 prayers went smoothly and orderly, followed by thousands of worshippers. It appears that Region Zukri and Deputy Region Nasaruddin are very solemn in attending prayers on 1 Shawwal 1443 Hijriah. Well, I think that's all the news for today with me, Mutiara. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.